This video divided into 3 parts of digital multimeters. Part 1 Digital multimeter parts. Part 2 About selection dial. Part 3 Determining the value of parts. Display, selection dial, prot plus, prot minus, hold button, display light button is common tools. Diode selection dial is very important to determine the value of parts. You have to select the dial according to the value of resistance. When DC voltage is above 200. When AC voltage is above 200. 1.5 volt battery charge test selection dial. 9 volt battery charge test selection dial. 12 volt battery charge test selection dial. Most of the parts is determined by the diode selection dial. Diode, transistor, transformer, fuse, wire and other electronics parts. When testing the NPN transistor, do the connect positive lead and transistor base. When testing PNP transistor, do the connect negative lead and transistor base. When testing the ampere, it working as series system. Select the dial according to the resistance value.